Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to add background to text in Canva. So let's start. First of all, head into Canva workspace. Over here type T and you will get your text box. In my case I am typing I am the best. Okay, here's my text. I am the best. First of all, I'll convert this to uppercase by just clicking over here to this uppercase. Then you can see here our text is in uppercase. Then I'll select all. Then I'll select different font as Archivo Black. Okay, you can see here font of our text is changed. Then we can change this font size to 100. Okay, you can see here our text is over here. If you want to add background, you can simply go to Elements and search for rectangle and hit enter. Here you can find shapes. So here in my case, here is black rectangle. Then you can simply change its color to any one by just clicking over this color and selecting color. I'll choose this one. Okay. Here is our red rectangle. Then we can simply adjust its size by pressing Alt and increasing its size from both ends. So also we can fix this side by pressing Alt in keyboard and just dragging it. Okay, in my case this is okay. Also, if your text is not visible, you can change the position by just going over here and moving it to background. In this way we can add background to text in Canva. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.